So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to replace the hard disk drive in Dell Optiplex. So friends, at first you have to unplug the power cable and SATA cable, then remove the hard disk drive. Now release the clips from the hard disk drive and then remove the hard disk drive. See, this is the clips, and then you have to fix a new hard disk drive into the baby slot, and then you have to again fix the clips with the hard disk drive. Now we have to fix the hard disk with the clips very carefully. Now we have to place the hard disk drive in its actual position and then fix it and plug in the cables, power cable and the SATA cable, and then tighten the screw and then close the case.